CEO Binance revealed why XRP is the next Bitcoin. Insane news. Watch this if you hold 1000 XRP. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss what CEO Binance revealed and why XRP is going to be the next Bitcoin. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The cryptocurrency industry is creeping into mainstream businesses at a brisk pace. The coin market is no longer an enigma for the tech-savvy youths and blue-chip corporates. Digital assets and their underlying tech have awestruck not one but many. As a result, institutions and countries have been expressing their interest in blockchains and cryptocurrencies. In the race towards prominence, Ripple, for instance, has what it takes for mass adoption with its cross-border payment initiatives. The firm's on-demand liquidity solution has caught the attention of geeks from the industry. The team has also been emerging as a benchmark for fellow platforms. On the other hand, the firm's lawsuit gets another twist as the SEC appoints an enforcement council. With Ripple ODL invite partnerships with central banks, as previously mentioned, cryptocurrencies and blockchains are now venturing into mainstream businesses. Ripple has been putting in requisite efforts in mass adoption. Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) solution enables financial institutions to deliver instant cross-border payments without the need for pre-funding. Azimo uses the on-demand liquidity to power faster international payments into the Philippines. Earlier, the Republic of Palau had partnered with Ripple to develop strategies for cross-border payments. The firm, in its report, cites that about 1.7 billion underbanked people in the world are expected to benefit from CBDCs. And for a USD-backed digital currency for Palau, the initiative will be powered by the XRP-L. The CBDCs are expected to play a crucial role in the future of global financial transactions. Ripple's ODL could further persuade more countries to empower CBDCs by integrating with Ripple. The SEC appoints an enforcement council. The lawsuit has been ruthless for the innocent XRP holders who have lost their hard-earned assets. The legal brawl betwixt the US SEC and Ripple has panned 3 years, which partisans hope to dissolve this year. Successively, the lawsuit is expected to terminate either from the court's end or through a mutual settlement. Grundfest had warned the SEC commissioners that filing a case against Ripple and alleging XRP to be a security, it would result in more damage to innocent holders than any other non-fraud case in history. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has appointed an enforcement council to fight against the Ripple. Jorge Tenerero is in charge of the litigation against Ripple and co-defendants Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. Collectively, the move by the SEC is now a growing concern for supporters of the defendants. However, it would not cause much harm as the stance of Ripple weighs heavier to the irrational claims made by the SEC. On the other hand, Ripple's ODL could help XRP price retrieve its lost gains soon. The case termination would be a game changer for the digital asset. XRP price has been swinging with a very narrow margin for quite a long time, yet a breakout is not seen any time in Q1 of 2022. The asset is expected to continue with the consolidation before slicing through the consolidation for some more time. Both the buyers and sellers are trying their level best to control the asset, compelling the price to possess low volatility. The trading volumes on the platform have dropped significantly, and the current volume is equally shared by both the buyers and the sellers. And hence the price has been swinging around $0.83 to $0.84 since the 31st of December 2021. However, the XRP is expected to continue with the current consolidation for a pretty long time now. The XRP price since November 2021 is following a depleting trend, and despite attempts to break the trend, it remained short-lived. Additionally, it declined back to its initial levels and accumulated heavily. However, with the other positive updates which are queued in 2022, XRP price may get a larger boost soon. XRP is the first crypto not to be compliant with the ISO 20022, which is one standard method that integrates all the languages used by financial institutions worldwide and a member of the ISO 20022. The other crypto to be a member of is Stellar Lumens XLM. These standards are expected to be implemented in Q3 or Q4 of 2022 and completed by 2025. The other factors include the growth with the ODL by nearly 25 times despite the ongoing Ripple versus SEC case. Interestingly, the case may also foresee a closure very soon, and hence the XRP price may explode, which was quite suppressed due to the case. Overall, the year 2022 is pretty bullish, with many advancements laid within the path of Ripple's price towards its all-time high. Jeremy Hogan, a well-known XRP lawyer, has estimated when the long-running SEC v. Ripple legal dispute will be resolved. When asked for his honest assessment on when the case would be over, Hogan said that even in the worst-case scenario, the chances of it being extended past summer are slim. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse had previously stated that he hoped the case would be resolved by 2022. Legal struggle to end soon? Garlinghouse discussed the lawsuit's progress in a CNBC interview in late November. Ripple, he argues, is making substantial headway in its legal struggle with the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States. Quote, "We're seeing pretty good progress despite a slow-moving judicial process." Brad Garlinghouse predicts that the case involving XRP, the 8th largest cryptocurrency, will be resolved in 2022. The SEC filed the lawsuit in December of 2020, claiming that XRP, Ripple's native currency, which the company and other payment companies use on an open-source, decentralized ledger, has been an unregistered security in violation of the U.S. securities laws since its launch in 2013, and that Ripple executives and investors should have known about it. Despite the legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, CEO Brad Garlinghouse revealed in a series of tweets on the first anniversary that Ripple has had its finest year to date. Impact on XRP price. Since the start of the lawsuit, XRP price has been continuously plunging hard in the ranks, losing ground to other emerging cryptos. XRP still manages its position in the top 10 crypto ranking. However, if Ripple wins this case, traders can expect a massive rally in 2022. XRP price might surge to hit its previous all-time high of $3.40, while many experts expect it to hit double digits. This week, the XRP price drop is expected to continue, with the price likely to fall back to its crucial support levels. At the time of writing this, XRP is trading at $0.84 and is down by 0.58%. The world of blockchains and cryptocurrencies has been writing down the wish list for 2022 in the hopes of those being fulfilled. The lengthening wish list includes the spot ETF of Bitcoin and Ethereum to start with. More nations are following in the footsteps of El Salvador, adopting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a legal ledger, and the major one was the settlement of Ripple's lawsuit. The legal brawl between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has been nerve-wracking for XRP holders, attorneys, and the cryptosphere in general. The prolonged case and the SEC's irrational and adamant stance have left the holders and the digital asset with irreversible losses. On the other hand, proponents believe in the need for Cryptoverse to unite against the unruly conduct of the SEC. Will the voice of the protagonist go unheard? Attorney John E. Deaton takes to his social media handle to enlighten the happenings in the Ripple legal tussle whilst penning his views. The advocate cites that if the SEC truly believes its stance in the case against Ripple, and that Ripple is a security, it would have filed an injunction to cease the sales of XRP by Ripple. He further cites that Jed McCaleb, co-founder of Ripple, has made over $2 billion from the sales of XRP since the lawsuit's filing, which is more than what the SEC is seeking from the defendants in the lawsuit, which counts to $1.3 billion. Addressing the claims made by the SEC, Judge Netburn debunks the allegations made by the SEC. They cite that every person in the world selling XRP would violate the Section 5 norms of the securities law. In addition, the SEC is seen informing the judge that the authority does not determine the security aspects, which contradicts their claims. On the other hand, a prominent crypto analyst is seen advocating Ripple in its legal brawl in one of his recent videos. The proponent cites the unruly conduct of the SEC and cites that the crypto community should be backing Ripple, as the SEC could strike back at other projects if it wins over Ripple. Collectively, with more evidence busting the irrational allegations made by the SEC, we can expect things falling into place in Ripple's favor. XRP has been failing to adhere to the Howey test to date, which counterfeits its securities claims. With the lawsuit subsiding, we can expect XRP price to soar higher, climbing the stairs to a higher market cap ranking in the near future. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.